Import your Mocap data and delete any keyframes that you don't need. To scale a 100 frames per second recording to 30 frames per second, select the keyframes and press S and 0.3 on the numpad. Retarget the animation as explained in a previous video. In the graph editor, go to Key Clean Keyframes to reduce the amount of keys. Then go to Key Decimate Ratio and press Enter. Type a value like 0.75 and press Enter. This decimates the keyframes by 75%. In the NLA Editor, press the result down to an action. Set the blending on the top layer to Add. Now set keyframes for all the poses that you want to preserve. Then set keyframes in between those to adjust the animation as needed.